Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control, Meditation, Chapter 6, Shloka 46. The yogi is thought to be superior to the ascetics and even superior to men of knowledge, mere scholars. He is also superior to men of action. Therefore, you strive to be a yogi, O Arjuna.
Chapter 6, Shloka 46. Tapasvibhyodiko yogi jnanibhyopi matodikaha karmibhyaschadiko yogi tasmad yogi bhavarjuna.
Chapter 6, Shloka 46. After giving the logic why meditation is nobler than all other practices, Lord concludes, to show that among all practices in spiritual development, the path of meditation is the noblest. A graded list of the various seekers are mentioned. The meditators are nobler than the blind seekers who thoughtlessly perform physical self-denials, who do selfless work in a spirit of sacrifice, and those who perform divine worship in a spirit of divine surrender, as they all perform rituals in the secular and the sacred fields of activities with a wrong belief that they can reach the infinite through these activities alone. Lord Krishna concludes that meditators are superior as they give up their false identifications with the body, mind, and intellect through constant contemplation on the nature of the self. He urges Arjuna to be a meditator, yogi, as he is the best among the whole lot. Men of self-denial, students of scriptures, and ritualists. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.